What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about some serious stuff, but I'm also going to be mentioning a couple of fragrances that make great alternatives to more expensive scents. No rigmarole today, just going to cut straight to the chase. Going forwards with the channel, we've sort of got two options here. I can keep going with how I'm going, trying to release a video every single day, daily content, videos about 5 minutes-ish long, so we can go down that path. Or, alternatively, I can cut it back down to like 2 to 3 videos a week, about 10 minutes long each, full of details, B-roll, all of that jazz. So going forwards, just wanted your thoughts on all of this because the channel's growing really well. I'm loving the growth. I'm loving like the really positive community I've got here. That's all I've ever wanted with the channel, more so than the fragrances than anything else. I just really wanted to help cultivate a really positive environment for people to get in touch with others that have a similar mindset, others that like fragrances, a positive place on YouTube where people can sort of hang out and talk with one another. So yeah, the ball's in your court, guys, how we go forwards. I can keep it up with the daily content, shorter videos, lists, things like that. Or if you would prefer, I can do less videos, but make them more detailed, make them more professional, fill them with B-roll and that jazz. So yeah, let me know in the comments below how you see this channel going forwards. I'm a rock here and I'll tumble for you, so just let me know. Love hearing from you guys as always. So, the first fragrance that I'm going to be talking about is Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy, the EDT, and a fragrance that I think smells quite similar to it, but is significantly cheaper. And that is a fragrance that I think is good but not great. Guess Vomo. This is about $40 Australian on sale at Priceline, and I'm going to try not to remove the atomizer. Your instinct when you see a protrusion like that is to just pull it off so you can access the atomizer, but no, that is the atomizer, so don't do what I do and accidentally rip it off. The fragrance itself, it smells pretty close to Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy, the EDT. It's got that same sort of gourmand quality, amber, warm, spicy, cacao, chocolate, coffee. It's just a lot cheaper than Bad Boy, the EDT. It's also quite a bit fresher as well. So if you do love Carolina Herrera, the EDT, but you want something cheaper and fresher, guess Vomo is definitely going to be up your alley. And also, hats off to Guess for this one because the presentation is fantastic. I love the design of it. It's very classy, which you don't typically expect from something that only costs like $40. And lastly, I wanted to talk about Dior Hom Intense. I've been daily driving this scent only because it's like out near the kitchen, so I can just access it straight when I go to leave the house. It's the first fragrance I've got available to me, so that's what I use. It's funny that this would be a daily driver and it's like $200, but it is what it is, and it's actually incredible for compliments. Gotta hand it to this one. Gotta hand it to Dior Hom Intense. It's a beast when it comes to compliments. Performance isn't as fantastic as people make it out to be. It's solid, but it's not incredible. It's like 8 to 12 hours. Definitely not an absolute 24-hour plus beast mode scent like Dior Hom the original, but anyways, I digress. The fragrance that I would recommend in place of that, and it is significantly cheaper, like less than a quarter of the price, Roberto Cavalli's Vomo. Another Vomo scent here. Cavalli's Vomo has a sweetness, it's got a woodiness, it's got a powderiness. It shares a lot of facets with Dior Hom Intense, but it only costs about $40 to $50 Australian. Presentation again with this one is pretty good. I love the presentation. It's different than Dior Hom Intense, but that doesn't mean it's bad, and I think if you like Dior Hom Intense, or if you like the idea of it, Roberto Cavalli's Vomo is a great scent to try. Performance is decent enough with 6 to 7 hours on my skim. It's got a honey note, it's got some woodsy notes, it's powdery, it's a very solid scent. I love this one. People will give you compliments for this one as well. It smells fantastic. So yeah, those are just two cheap alternatives to some great expensive fragrances. If you've ever worn them before, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know in the comments below how you want me to take this channel moving forwards. I can't wait to hear from you guys. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.